This is so crazy. You know that sometimes in your life, you receive a call. It can be a phone call, a cell call, whatever you name it the way you want it to. But sometimes it's a different type of call. It's a call of somebody in your life that wants you there. You're comforting, wants you by their side. So I received this call yesterday, and this video is all about that. In a race against time, I am going on a 24-hour flight haul. Yeah, this is crazy. And I have to pack, and you're packing with me. Some tips, what I'm gonna wear, do's and don'ts, my mistakes, and I will tell you what I'm gonna do, because it's gonna be a 24-hour flight with some stops in between. I have a 3-hour drive to Vancouver to catch my plane, so it's going to be almost a 27-hour. Start with the clothing. I am going to show you what I am comfortable, very comfortable. Please, you have to travel very comfortable. I eat some bananas for magnesium. I walk in the plane. I drink plenty of water. I try to eat what they give me, because some flights they just give you some crackers, but this flight's going to be a long haul, so I will have breakfast, dinner, lunch, I don't know. But eat before you step your foot on the flight, wherever you're going, because you never know what they're going to serve you. Drink loads of water and dress comfy. Yeah, this is what we're going to do. This is what you're going to help me today. We're going to sort out, do you see this? We are going to sort out all of the passport, undies. Yeah, so let's get to what I'm going to wear on the flight during this long haul, and let's pack. You ready, Master? You ready to help Mommy to pack? No, Mommy, I'm not ready, but what do I have to do? What do I have to do? Just sit down, relax. Yeah, baby, just sit down, relax, and let's sort out Mommy's clothes, okay? Okay, big boy. Mommy loves you. It's gonna be a long haul anyways. So I chose two things, and I'm gonna wear some leggings, because some black leggings. These are so cool. I have them for so long. I bought about 3 or 4 of them, but what I think it's so cool, they're not just simple black leggings. They have like these, so cool, it's pretty cool. But they're soft, they're comfy, and the elastic on the waist doesn't bother me at all. It's pretty cool. And I'm wearing this Adidas jacket. It's comfy, and I can put it on, and there you go. It's a long one. It's like this. I don't like it, so this is what I do. I have, ignore that, yeah. So it goes down to here. I don't like it at all. So there's an elastic band right over here, so I just do this. I have 2 pockets, so I make it cool, because I can make it like very short here, and I can roll this up if I feel like it. You know, it has this, so if I'm feeling cold, it's comfy, it's cute, it's nice, and that's it. With my black leggings, or a handbag, a black long maxi skirt, because it's also very nice, it's also very comfy, and it's good on the plane and whatever. And I will be just taking 2 shoes, my sneakers, and maybe some loafers. So let's go to the packing, and that's gonna be it. What I tend to do is I try to roll up everything so I have enough space. So underneath, I don't know if I'll be taking jeans. If Monty lets me, please, Monty. Jeans and heavy stuff, and I'm taking a sweatshirt, a light sweatshirt. There's still more clothes here. Wait on. Okay, here's some more. So very cool outfit, which I think it's pretty cool. Monty, excuse me, honey. Okay, thank you. This is a very cool blazer from Zara. It has these it's a beige and white straps. It's gorgeous, it's gorgeous. And I'm gonna pair it wherever I want to go for a nice occasion with this and a simple white t-shirt that I want to show you. These pants are great to travel. They are great. They have tons of pockets, but at the same time, they're very cool. They're a very, very light green pair of cargo pants. Cargo pants are amazing. So let's keep on moving because we have a lot of stuff to sort out. This, I just got it out of the dryer, which is, oh, it smells so good. You have to have a jean jacket. I have a jean jacket. It's going with me on my carry-on. It goes with me, it goes with me. These are another leggings with this one, but this one has, no, this is black, of course. It's nice, it has these zippers here, but they're fake zippers, just to give a little, you know, a little nice cool. So I'm gonna keep this, take this t-shirt. Yeah, t-shirts always good as PJs or lounge clothing. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. This is gonna stay here. And this is a sports bra. This is very cool too because it's very comfortable. You have to be comfortable. Black. How do you call it? Monty's a little bit sad. I can't blame him. Let's get this sorted out here. Oh, my baby's so sad. Are you sad, honey? Mommy's gotta go. The only two things where I always make mistakes are shoes. Always, always. I already prepared one pair of jeans. Oh, I forgot some belts. And I also have this cool pair of jeans. This is so, so cool. Look at that. It's cool. I might take this one because it fits me very well. I'm gonna take it because I still have plenty of room here on this side of the bag. It's going for sure because I washed it to take it. It's a white linen blouse shirt. It's a men's shirt. I bought it in the men's section. And that striped blazer or a jacket, or it's gonna look really nice. You have to have a white shirt. So that's gonna be it. Toiletries. And I have to decide about my shoes. I will be taking my white sneakers. My white sneakers. I could take this one or maybe this one, but I have to wash it because they're not cool. They are, I don't know. To wash, maybe I could wash it. I don't know, I must. Anyway, so that's gonna be it for my packing. I will take you with me when I'm on the plane and all that. I'm answering a call. As I said, when somebody calls you, anybody, for whatever reason, go. Because you never know what's gonna happen. If they call you, it's because they need you, they want you. And I'm answering the call because this is a very, very important call for me. So don't forget to check out my next video because the next time we're gonna be hopping on the plane and you'll be checking out where I'm going. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, Monty. Monty is out of the building.